Hey, beautiful soul, you have such a pure heart. This purity of heart is attracting pure relationships and opportunities that resonate deeply with your soul. You have learned that success isn't just about money. Instead, it is about a deep connection to your purpose and inner peace. The purity of mind, body, and spirit that you are cultivating is healing generational patterns within your subconscious mind. You are literally becoming superhuman right now. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel.